Are you dreaming of exploring the world, experiencing new cultures, and embarking on incredible adventures, all without breaking the bank? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we are diving deep into the top 10 cheapest countries to travel in 2025. Get ready to discover some truly incredible destinations that are perfect for budget-conscious adventurers like you. Let's unlock your next affordable journey. Kicking off our list at number 10 is Serbia, a true Balkan gem. This country offers a rich tapestry of history, incredibly vibrant nightlife, and absolutely delicious food that will tantalize your taste buds. It's a destination that often flies under the radar, making it perfect for budget travelers. You can expect to spend around 2,500 rupees to 4,000 rupees per day here. The favorable exchange rate of the Serbian dinar against major currencies makes your money go a long way. Be sure to explore Belgrade's impressive fortress and immerse yourself in the city's lively atmosphere. Next up at number 9 we have the land of smiles, Thailand. From the bustling, energetic streets of Bangkok to the serene, postcard-perfect beaches of the south, Thailand offers an incredible diversity of experiences. It's a perennial favorite for backpackers, for good reason. Daily expenses can range from 2,000 rupees to 3,500 rupees. This affordability is thanks to its low cost of living, an abundance of delicious and cheap street food, and very affordable transport options. Remember to bargain respectfully at local markets for the best deals. Don't leave without trying authentic pad Thai and the delightful mango sticky rice. Coming in at number 8 is Georgia, with its captivating capital, Tbilisi. This hidden gem boasts stunning natural landscapes, a burgeoning wine culture that dates back millennia, and a truly unique blend of European and Asian influences. It's an unforgettable destination that's still incredibly budget-friendly. You can comfortably travel here on 2,000 rupees to 3 rupees, 500 per day. Accommodation, food, and local transport are all remarkably affordable, allowing you to stretch your travel budget further. Make sure to wander through Tbilisi's charming old town, savor some traditional khachapuri, and experience the city's vibrant nightlife. At number 7, we find Albania, a rising star in the European travel scene. This beautiful country offers pristine beaches along its stunning Riviera, fascinating historical sites, and dramatic mountain scenery. It's a destination that's still relatively undiscovered by mass tourism, which keeps prices wonderfully low. Expect to spend around 2,000 rupees to 3,500 rupees daily. Its status as an emerging destination means you get incredible value for your money across the board. A must-do is visiting the breathtaking Albanian Riviera and exploring the ancient city of Butrint, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Our number 6 spot goes to Egypt, a land steeped in ancient wonders. Imagine standing before the majestic pyramids, cruising down the legendary Nile River, and immersing yourself in thousands of years of rich history. It's an experience that feels epic, yet remains surprisingly affordable. Daily costs typically fall between 2,000 rupees and 3,500 rupees. The favorable exchange rate for the Egyptian pound and the availability of affordable accommodation make it accessible for budget travelers. Remember to haggle politely for souvenirs in the bustling bazaars. Don't miss the awe-inspiring temples of Luxor and Karnak. Halfway through our list at number 5 is Nepal, the majestic Himalayan nation. This country offers breathtaking mountain views, profound spiritual experiences, and unparalleled adventure opportunities. It's a dream destination for trekkers and those seeking a deeper connection with nature and culture. You can travel comfortably on 1,500 rupees to rupee 3,000 per day. Nepal's low cost of living, especially for food and local transport, combined with affordable trekking permits and guides, makes it incredibly budget-friendly. Consider a trek to Everest Base Camp or explore the rich cultural sites of Kathmandu, like Durbar Square. Coming in at number 4 we have the Philippines, an incredible island nation. With over 7,000 islands, it boasts stunning white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, a vibrant local culture, and absolutely delicious food. It's a tropical paradise that won't drain your wallet. Daily expenses here are typically around 1,500 rupees to 3,000 rupees. The low cost of living, especially for local food and inter-island transport, contributes to its affordability. Make sure to go island hopping, try the diverse local cuisine, and soak in the incredibly friendly atmosphere of the Filipino people. Our bronze medalist at number 3 is Turkey, a country that beautifully blends history, culture, and stunning landscapes. From the bustling bazaars of Istanbul to the surreal fairy chimneys of Cappadocia, Turkey offers a truly unique and diverse travel experience. It's a bridge between continents and cultures. You can expect to spend between 1,500 rupees and 3,000 rupees per day. The Turkish lira's favorable exchange rate and the wide range of affordable accommodation options make it an excellent choice for budget travelers. Be sure to visit Istanbul's iconic Hagia Sophia and the Grand Bazaar. For an unforgettable experience, take a hot air balloon ride over Cappadocia. Taking the silver spot at number 2 is Indonesia, with a special mention for the island paradise of Bali. Known for its stunning beaches, lush green rice paddies, and vibrant spiritual culture, Bali offers a serene yet adventurous escape. It's a place where you can truly relax and rejuvenate without overspending. Daily costs typically range from 1,500 rupees to 3,000 rupees. The low cost of living, particularly for delicious local food and comfortable guest houses, makes it incredibly accessible. Consider taking a surf lesson, visiting ancient temples like Uluwatu, and indulging in the incredible Balinese cuisine. And finally, the undisputed champion of budget travel for 2025, at number 1 is Vietnam. This incredible country offers unparalleled value, unbelievably delicious food, stunning natural landscapes, and a rich, captivating culture. It's a destination that truly has it all, at prices that will amaze you. You can easily travel Vietnam on just 1,000 rupees to 2 rupees 500 per day. Its incredibly low cost of living, from street food to local transport and accommodation, makes it the ultimate budget traveler's dream. Explore the breathtaking limestone casts of Halong Bay, savor a bowl of authentic pho, and immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. So there you have it, our top 10 cheapest countries to travel in 2025. From the ancient wonders of Egypt to the tropical beaches of the Philippines and the cultural richness of Vietnam, incredible adventures await you without breaking the bank. Remember to always do your research on visa requirements and check travel advisories before you go. Planning ahead can save you even more money and ensure a smooth trip. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a big thumbs up and like the video. Share it with your travel buddies who are also looking for their next affordable adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more budget travel tips and destination guides. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Which country inspired you the most for your next budget trip? Let us know in the comments below. Happy travels and see you in the next one.